Now that the dust has settled, I think it's only fair we talk about the play Yaga Foster Zolo, where he was supposed to score a goal, actually shot a shot. Yeah, in 18. Unfortunately, Les Zangalena Zim were ahead, Pumi Bola, and we're going to look at the two options which I believe are there. And how we could do better next time. My name is Percival Bafetu. Let's get into it. Yonke ndicala ngusipho Mbule. Why ngidle ndicala ngusipho Mbule? You look at the positioning yakambule right now, and umbule already sakamcheckile uFosler. Umbonile ukuthi hayi man uFosler onside. Now uFosler understand la khona ukuthi hey man, actually I'm offside. So what does he do, Ufosler, because of a good striker he is? He pulls himself back. As you can see here, Umbule is receiving the ball. And as a good midfielder as Umbule is, so what does he do? He passes the ball, which he beats all these four defenders. All these four defenders in Zimbabwe who's shy. Why? One simple pass can beat your defense. Just one simple pass. So many ways to beat a defense, and Usipho Mbule did it with a pass. Just shows the excellence of Usipho Mbule. Now he runs so we one-on-one against the goalkeeper, and now you have three options. As a Foster, you have three options. Number one is either you chip the ball in Genela. If I chip the ball, then you dribble around the goalkeeper, or you pass Umutao here. Who So what does he do? He dribbles. After dribbling successfully, now he's left with an open net. But I am play Milan for shoot. Why? Because and he lost the balance. He lost the balance. Now what does he do? He again tries and dribbles the other defender. But Lano Tosama defender Manning, that's a huge thing for you. Now you have to work even harder. He dribbles the defender, now defend the hour. Now he chooses to shoot, right? Now, pull a situation, let's pause a bit. In this situation, you understand what now you have an option number one. Option number one is your Apollos. Option number one, that's your Apollos. Apollos uvulekile kamnandi uvulekile Apollos. And Umtao, when you look at Umtao Lana, Umtao is not open. But Umtao as a wing back who's very, very experienced and is very smart and of a quality is Wenza. Uyazivula and is very, very close. It's impossible for Umtao to miss the Masakala. He opens himself, but no, he decides to shoot. Now, for him shooting Ganjena, I was Kawati. Was Kawati as a team, and I understand at the same time Utu Foster is the kind of striker on a striking instinct, right? It's like your Mabasa, your Chrobla, your Haaland. He has that kind of a striking instinct whereby he wants to put in the to put the ball in the net. He's not like Mahopa. Mahopa, the first things first is he wants to give attackers opportunity to beat the goalkeeper, not him, right? Asibuyele move and show you ukuthi Umtao uyibone play, right? Umtao, as you can see, Lana Umbule receives a ball. What does Umbule do? What does Umtao do? Umtao is already running here because he can see. He can see ukuthi hayi man. Le ball leli ya attack manje. Immediately malivula bheka Umtao hamba phi. He's open Umtao. Umtao is open and is alone. And to pass the ball Umtao. Umtao akazoshaya straight because the keeper is way off the line. Way off the line. Umsherile keeper and ushayela lama defender lawa i3. Dala washaya lama defender i3. Right? But no, it's fine. At the end of the day, team yethu didn't do well, extremely well, but we have to again give a compliment to Usipho Mbule for the performance he gave yesterday. They worked well. It's that time again for us to start pulling out our calculators. Sokuthi manje siqale phansi ke manje lento sayibalekela uHugo Bros wafika busy sibalekelana ngama calculator, and now he's about to leave Hugo Bros and we're again doing the same thing. But this time I'm not going to blame Hugo Bros for a performance team. I'm not going to blame abantu abaningi. I'm a player, they are doing well, but again isafa for allowing Umrembula ukuthi adlale. they gave everyone a chance to qualify. Now we are under pressure. Sesifuna ukuqualify njengomoya oyingcwele sesithe nje kuphela ukuthi nje siqualify. But overall, bafethu, thank you so much for tuning in. That's my take, about this whole thing, this whole situation yaka Foster Izolo, which I believe we could have been 1 goal up and we could have had a 3 points here too. Overall, bafethu, thank you so much for coming through. My name is Percival. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Hola.